This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to be taking a closer look at the NX8MM-D168 system-on-module from ICOP. With recent industry-wide component shortages wreaking havoc on electronics production worldwide, many companies in the embedded space turn to the use of SoMs, or system-on-modules, rather than continue sourcing individual components for their products. Now, there are plenty of SoM options available that provide all of the necessary mainboard features in one package that remain powerful, efficient, and versatile, like the NX8MM-D168 from ICOP Technology. The NX8MM-D168 SoM is built around NXP's i.MX 8M Mini, a quad-core embedded applications processor that makes use of 14LPC FinFET process technology to enhance speed and efficiency in harsh environments. The processor also includes both 2D and 3D GPUs, the latter of which features a shader and OpenGL ES 2.0, as well as both camera and display interfaces, I/O options for video playback and audio, and lots more. But back to the SoM itself. In addition to the CPU and GPUs on board, there's also a video processing unit that enables 1080p 60 encode and decode, as well as a Cortex-M4 co-CPU. The module features up to 2 GB of onboard LPDDR4 RAM with an additional 4 to 64 GB of onboard eMMC storage. Like we touched on a little bit earlier, this module features MIPI, CSI, and DSI interfaces for camera and display, with 4 data lanes available on each. It also includes options for Gigabit Ethernet connection, Generation 2.1 PCI Express, USB 2.0, UART, SPI, and I2C, as well as containing 168 pins for further configuration. The SoM requires just 5 volts of input power to operate and can withstand temperatures between 0 and 60 degrees Celsius, or with an optional modification, negative 40 to 85 degrees Celsius. The NX8MM-D168 supports Yocto Linux and Android 9 operating systems. The versatility of this SoM and its processor allows it to be implemented in a really extensive range of applications, from audio and video to AI and machine learning, and plenty of others in between. And the availability of compatible software for the NXP processor reflects that. Plenty of design files can be found on NXP's website, which we'll link for you in the description below if you'd like to take a closer look for yourself. So if you're looking for a powerful, compact, and flexible module to begin development of your application, the NX8MM-D168 may likely be a pretty good starting point. If you'd like to get your own, you can purchase one of these modules from ICOP starting at about $134, or you can send an inquiry through the device's product page on ICOP's website. That's all for this week, so as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of DevKit Weekly.